Hey guys, welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare some delicious coconut curry chickpeas. To go with my curry chickpeas, guys, I'll be serving up some cornmeal dumpling alongside it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload my contents. All that I'll be using to prepare this coconut curry chickpeas will be listed down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and get the full ingredients.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's all my ingredients that I'll be using to make that delicious coconut curry chickpeas. You'll be needing some chopped bell pepper, you'll be needing some fresh thyme, you'll be needing some turmeric powder, some all-purpose seasoning, you'll be needing some coconut milk, some chopped tomato, you'll be needing a scotch bonnet pepper, some chopped garlic, some chopped ginger, some chopped onion, and here I got my dry chickpeas that I'll be using, and here I got my curry powder. All the measurement for my ingredients will be listed down in the description box. Now I'll be starting out by getting a shine basin like this to soak my dry chickpeas in. I'll be going in with 2 cups of my chickpeas. To this chickpeas now, you're going to add some water to it to cover the chickpeas and leave it to soak for a few hours, and I'll get right back to you guys. My chickpeas is soaked. Now here you have it. My chickpeas has doubled in size after a few hours, as guys, as you can see. Now I'm just going to throw off this water off of it and give it a small rinse in some fresh water. Then I'm just going to add that straight to my pot. Guys, I've rinsed off my chickpeas in some fresh water. Now you want to go ahead and get yourself a pot like this. This, guys, where you'll be boiling your chickpeas until they're tender. You just want to add those chickpeas in. Just like that, guys. A tablespoon of salt. And you want to boil that for about an hour on a medium heat. And I'll get right back to you guys. Now checking back on my chickpeas after that hour. This, guys, it's looking beautiful. This is how you want your chickpeas to boil after that hour. It's looking soft. Let's feel it. Look at that, guys. So you want your chickpeas to be soft and tender. Now I'm just gonna turn this off now and throw off this water off of my chickpeas. Go ahead and get your pot that you're going to cook up your chickpeas in. You want to put your flame on a medium heat. You just want to go ahead and add some extra virgin olive oil to that now. Guys, I'm just going to leave that to preheat for about 20 seconds and I'll get back to you guys. Now my oil on my pot is preheated. Now you just want to go in with your chopped onion. Guys. Also you want to add your chopped ginger, and also your chopped garlic. Just want to stir these around. Just want to saute them for about a minute or 2. Those garlic and onions smelling so nice, guys, especially the ginger. Now you just want to go in with your curry powder. Also a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I just want to stir that around now. Mix up your curry into your seasoning and that garlic and ginger. Let that curry burn into your oil. Now after mixing around that curry into your onion and your garlic and your ginger, you want to go in into your chickpeas. You just want to go ahead and stir around this chickpeas into your curry, those garlic. Make sure they are coated properly. Right, guys, I'm telling you, it's so nice, guys. It's smelling amazing. Just like that, guys. After you finish mixing up your chickpeas into your curry, You just want to go ahead and add 1 can of your coconut milk to that now. Just want to go ahead and stir that around. Mix up that chickpeas into your coconut milk. Now after you throw in that coconut milk and you stir around that chickpeas, so you want to go in with your all-purpose seasoning. Season it to your like, guys. I'm just going in with a teaspoon. You just want to mix up that all-purpose into your coconut curry chickpeas, yes, guys. Just stir it properly. I'm telling you guys, this coconut curry chickpeas smells so nice. Now I'm going in with my bell peppers, yes, guys. Also my tomato. You just want to stir these around now. Smelling so lovely, guys. I wish you guys could smell this aroma that's coming from my pot. It's really wonderful. Can't wait to have some of this coconut curry chickpeas. It's been a while now since I have it, guys. So why not share it with you guys? I'm going in my thyme. Also my Scotch Bonet Pepper. This, guys, I'm not gonna cut it up, I'm just gonna leave it into it. Going with some more of my coconut milk. I'm just gonna leave this to cook down for half an hour, and I'll get right back to you. Now here you have it, guys. After that 30 minutes of leaving it to cook down into your coconut milk. Wow, guys, I'm telling you, it's smelling so amazing. Now it's time to just remove this Scotch Bonet Pepper from it. And also you can remove your thyme stem. Also it, guys. Telling you guys, it's smelling so nice. You want to smell the aroma that's coming from it. As you can see, guys, my gravy is thick enough. It's perfect. I'm just gonna turn this off and leave it. Now it's onto my cornmeal dumpling to serve up with it with some ground food. Yes, guys. Now here's what I'll be serving up with my curry chickpeas. I got some green bananas, some white yam, some Irish potato, some flour, the cornmeal to go with it, and some salt. Now here I have my basin where I'll be making my cornmeal dumpling in. Yes, guys. Now I'm going in with 3 cups of flour, yes, guys. To that now I'll be adding 1 cup of my cornmeal. You just want to go ahead and get a fork and just mix those around. That's what you know about cornmeal dumpling. I'm telling you, when you eat cornmeal dumpling, you don't need nothing else for the rest of the day. Whatever you eat it with, any kind of meat kind. I'm telling you, this cornmeal dumpling, they're fully up. Now you just want to go in with your salt into that now. A teaspoon of salt. You don't want no fresh dumpling, guys. You want to make sure your dumpling have some salt inside of that. Yes, guys. I'm going in with my water. Time to knead that flour. So we want to make those cornmeal dumpling, guys. Then the cornmeal dumpling is so nice. When you eat these dumpling, guys, you don't want nothing more for the rest of the day. I'll get back to you guys when I'm finished mealing my flour and that cornmeal. Yes, guys. Look at that now, guys. Looking beautiful. Looking all yellow with that cornmeal inside of that flour. Yes, guys. I'm finished mealing my flour. Yes, guys. Now I'm just gonna put this to the side. When I'm ready to make my dumpling, now I'm gonna start to peel my Irish potato my banana and my yam. You just want to go ahead and get a container like this with some water to put them in when you finish peeling them. Yes guys. So in with my Irish potato. Guys, when you're doing this you want to be careful of your knife and it cut you. If you got a scraper at home, you can just use a scraper, which is much more safer for you. If you can't do it like this, like how I'm using a knife. So I'll finish, just add that straight to the water guys. And you just continue the process. I'll get back to you guys when I'm finished peeling my Irish potatoes. And I'm onto my yam. Yes guys. There you have it guys. This is the last one of my Irish potato. You just want to cut that in two. Add that to the water. Now it's time to peel my yam. It's good to put some cooking oil on your hand when you're peeling your bananas and especially your yam, so this don't stain up your hand guys. You just want to rinse off this before you cut it up. Just want to get your cutting board, cut that into half. Just like that guys. Now it's time for my bananas. Now guys, you just want to cut off the top, cut the bottom here. Like that guys, and just take a point of your knife, just slide it down the back of it, just like that guys, not too deep. Like that guys. You take your thumb, start to work your hand up the middle of it, and take it off guys, just like that. I'll get back to you guys when I'm finished peeling my bananas. Here you have it guys, this is the last one of my green banana that I'm peeling. Now this is what I'm talking about guys, when you don't rub up your hands with any cooking oil. Look at my thumb, see how stained it is? That's what I'm talking about guys. Just want to make sure you rub up your hand in some cooking oil before you start to peel your bananas or any form of food kind that's stained, or your yam or anything like that guys. Just make sure you roll up your hand. If you have any green bits like this, leave on your banana, and if you just use a knife and take them off guys, just like that. You don't want when you cook your banana, you're eating any stainy banana guys. Feel any, taste any stain in your mouth. So just want to make sure you clean it up properly. Guys. Now I'm just going to rinse off these banana and yam and these Irish potato, and I'll get back to you guys. Now look at that now guys, they're looking so beautiful and looking fresh. I've rinsed them off and under some clean water. Yes guys. Now you want to go ahead and get yourself a pot like this with about half a pot of water inside of it. You're going to leave that to come to a boil. And I'll get right back to you guys on a medium heat. Now in the meanwhile my water is boiling, I'm just going to go ahead and start to make my dumpling. Yes guys, you want to go ahead and get yourself an empty plate. You're going to sprinkle some flour onto that now guys. This is to let your dumpling don't stick to the plate guys when you make them. So you just want to go ahead and just spread that flour around into the plate. Yes guys. Like that. It's time to make those dumplings. So guys, if you want, you can just roll them like this, or you can do it the traditional way where you use your thumb, just like that guys, and form your dumplings. Like that guys, so simple and easy, just like that. And you're going to use the side of your hand here. Just like that. Look at that. Looking beautiful. And you're just going to continue the process. You want to roll them. It's easier for you. easier this way to me, guys. If you roll them, and you just use this side of your hand, just like that, quick and easy. Now here you have it, guys. All my dumplings are made. Yes, guys, look at that. Cornmeal dumpling looking beautiful. Now I'm just waiting on my pot to boil up that water. Yes, guys. Now here you have it, guys. My water is come to a boil now. It's time to add my dumpling. Add my bananas in. My yam. That Irish potato now. The reason why I leave them into my water, guys, is so that they do not change any color, especially the yam and the banana. They don't change color, guys. You just want to leave them in some water before you add them to your pot. Just like that. Just want to go ahead, just give this a stir now. I'm just going to leave this to boil now, my dumpling and yam and that banana. Yes, guys, and this Irish potato. About half an hour when I get back. I'm checking back on my pot after that 30 minutes now, guys. Let's see what my dumplings doing now. Yes, guys, look at that. It's beautiful. This guys just cut into it. Wow. Perfect. Yes, guys. Check my bananas. If your fork go through it, guys, you know it's boiled. These guys are breaking up now. Already properly boiled now, guys. Also my yam. You can see, guys. Yes, guys. Now I'm just gonna turn this off now. It's finished boiling, and I'm just gonna share it out and let you guys see it. Wow, this is looking so beautiful, guys, and smelling so nice. This is how you want to prepare that coconut curry chickpeas, your boiled dumpling, your bananas, and especially the yam, this guys, and the Irish potato. Perfect for the chickpeas, guys. If you want, guys, it also can go with roti. This is how you want to prepare this coconut chickpeas with all those ingredients that I show you. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section, guys. Tell me what you think about this coconut curry chickpeas, and especially the cornmeal dumpling. Tell me what you guys think about it. Until next time, thanks for watching.